Look what I got. Awesome. I bought this for the Twinkie because there's no ladder to the roof. So let's unpack this baby. Okay, here we go. If it's not raining or too hot tomorrow. This is August. Who am I kidding? I might just take a look at my roof, which I've not been able to do on the Twinkie, the Silver Streak, the vintage Silver Streak, the Silver Streak that I'm renovating and I'm losing time on because it's too hot. Okay, so here we go. Lift the box. And oh, ouch! Oh, that's pretty cool. Telescopic ladder. And in here, the bottom, is a pouch to store it in. That's pretty awesome. So here you go. It is a telescopic multi-purpose ladder, heavy-duty commercial grade. I think it holds up to, oh, there we go. Huh. On the website it said it holds up to 350 or 300 pounds. This one says 250 pounds. But it doesn't matter because I don't weigh that much anyhow, but still, if I had a larger person, they couldn't use this ladder. But this will really come in handy. And I ordered this off of Walmart's website for $99.99, so $100. Not bad. I will catch y'all later. Maybe I'll show it to you tomorrow. That would be great. It'd be kind of cool to get up on the roof anyhow. So, okay.